Hare Krishna. Five elements is everything. You, me, everything is made of five elements. Why can't we balance it inside and the outside? We can balance things inside through meditation, through mantra, through our karmas. But then to do all these things, we need a good environment, a positive, balanced environment outside. This is what we teach in our Vastu course. See, Vastu for every individual is different. I live in a south facing home. Is that good for my wife or my elder son or my younger daughter? You have to dissect, you have to analyze kundlis, and then you take input from the kundlis and superimpose on the concepts of Vastu. That is what we teach, which make you a brilliant Vastu consultant. And we have hundreds of students who are doing fantastic in their career. I'm launching Mahavastu course with Rudra Vedic Academy. Join us and become a fantastic Vastu consultant. Change and transform and help millions of people around the world. Hare Krishna.